Hello everyone, this video explains how to install grills and diffusers designed and manufactured by Laminar. This time we're using the screw installation method since it's one of the most used because it's practical and safe. We can apply this method to a wide variety of Laminar's products, either for ceiling or wall installations. There are other products like S.A.S, LCL, LAV diffusers, and LPG, LVH, LRA grills. This process applies to all the products. First, let's select all the tools and elements we need. This time we need a square, some markers, a tape measure, a saw, a utility knife, a drill, a screwdriver, and finally sealant. This time we have an LVH grill measuring 12 by 8 inches. As you can see, the product comes fully sealed, along with the screws for its installation. Let's proceed to open the package. And to take out the product. As you can see, this is the diffuser and the installation screws. This product measures 12 by 8 inches. Now let's do the measuring to place the grill. In this case, it's a rectangular grill of 12 by 8 inches. Let's proceed to do the measuring and to draw the marks. Now let's cut the opening for the LVH grill. This grill measures 12 by 8 inches. For this, let's use the utility knife to make the initial mark and then the saw to cut it easier. Let's remove the wall piece that we cut and place the product in the opening. Now let's fix it to the wall using the screws. Finally, let's apply some sealant on the grill's borders to prevent air leaks. And let's clean the sealant tailings. This is the correct and safest installation of our product. We hope this video was useful for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Laminar S.A.S.